In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the invisible finish. You're going to need either your crochet hook or a tapestry needle. If you don't have a tapestry needle, you can use your hook and a pair of scissors. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. And you can see that I have an almost invisible seam. So it's just right here. It's a really nice technique when you want something with a slightly neater finish. Great when you have the top that's very visible or a seam that's very visible. So to start, you're going to take your tail and thread your tapestry needle. If you have a splitty yarn, it's good to kind of twist it, but in this case I didn't have to do that. With your tapestry needle, what you're going to do is skip the first stitch to the left, and you're going to insert into the second one, and you're going to be working in the front loop only, working front to back. Just like this. Then you pull your tapestry needle through, and this creates the front loop of the stitch. And then you're going to go backwards. So you're going to go a stitch to the right instead of to the left this time. And work in this back loop. So going from front to back again, and pulling this tight. Don't pull this too tight. You want it to kind of match the size of your other stitches to gain a better, more seamless blend. And there you have it. At this point, you can weave in your ends just as you would, ensuring that you're not pulling it too tight, because yes, it will pull that loop, too tight, and then it will become a very obvious seam. But yeah, this method is kind of awesome. And I'm just working back and forth between a couple rows, just trying to get some different directionality to lock my stitch in. You can also knot it. It's whatever your personal preference is. There's not one way to do this. And there you have it, the invisible finish. I hope this is useful to you and that it levels up your crochet game. Have a good one.